Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. So to start, let's open our app gallery. Here try to find app called Notify Buddy. It's this app right here, but to get it, we'll need to download it from the web page. Click on Download App. When it's ready, click on Install. Now we can open the app as it's installed on our device. So find it. Now begin the setup. You'll need to give two permissions to the app, so find Notify Buddy here. Throw over the other apps. Do the same thing with notification permission. Lastly, you can disable battery optimization, but it's optional. Now we can move on. From here, start using your app. And there's 4 tabs down here, first being User, in which you can pick any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In the system, you can find all apps bound to the system. In Active, there's apps that you've just activated. In the settings, you can change anything about the LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or color, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version. Now let's click on the test and we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.